Okay, anything else?
Basically, as I've mentioned, I am from a very different background right now.
Yeah.
But I just want to know ki how things will be convenient for me since I am from a very non-technical background. Yeah, people in this call मैंने सुना वो भी हैं non-technical background से. So how things will be convenient for us in this learning journey?
Yeah. So, Simran, so the thing is, if I understand your question, you are saying I'm not from a technical background.
Yes.
So it might be a little hard for me to
Yeah.
grasp technical concepts compared
Hmm.
to people who are already into technical, right? Which is a valid question. So to overcome this challenge, right, what we have done is we are assuming everyone is at zero. So
Okay.
even if you know anything, right?
Uh-huh.
My assumption is that everyone is from non-tech background. This is how we have structured the course. So
Okay.
so for tech people, it will be a revision, but for
Yes.
non-tech, it will be a new thing for them, right? So
Yes.
plus AI will ensure that, let's say if you're non-tech, it will see where you're struggling, right? In SQL, let's say you're struggling with writing select star or some queries on those lines. So it will see where you're struggling and it will give you those personalized feedback that Simran, you're going wrong here. Now imagine a scenario without AI. Now without AI, let's say you might reach out to me or someone from the team, and then let's say there might be a little back and forth. You might have to wait for the answers and everything,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So this is how I'm trying to solve this problem, right? Making sure that we have AI that will give you personalized guidance based on your current level.